Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create photo collages on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. Simply just open your gallery, and as you can see, showing it to three dot at the top right corner. Click on to create, and I'm get for different I'm just select to collage. Select any photo or video, press on, showing it to style. Okay, and it just easily customize from here. Select frame size. Okay, and finally press on save. That's it. Or if you want to add more image, press on to plus option to select, and done. Now add another image. That's it.